A warm welcome to you all children. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss worksheet number 7, activity number 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope you remember the topic that we have discussed in the previous video. Yes children, you are right. It was about matter and its three states. Let's start with our activity number 4. Identify and write down the states of matter with its properties given in each picture in the blank boxes. Here the first one, state of matter in the picture is apple. Dear children, can you guess which state of matter is it? Very good. It's solid. Now let's write properties of solid. First one, it has a definite shape. Second one, it has a definite volume. Next state of matter, milk is liquid. In the balloon, air is there, so next state of matter, gas. You should complete their properties. Let's move to activity number 5. Match each term on the left with the best descriptor on the right. Each descriptor may be used only once. Dear children, here are the term mass, solid, gas, matter, liquid, volume. Here descriptor, anything that has mass and volume, amount of space an object takes up, amount of matter in an object, and D, E, F images are there. You should match the terms with descriptor. One has been done for you. Yes. Mass, amount of matter in an object is correct one. In the same way, you have to complete this activity. Activity number 6. Picture study on gaseous state. This image shows that transferring of the gas in the smaller bottle to the bigger bottle. Answer the following question based on the picture. What happens if the gas filled in the smaller bottle is transferred to the larger bottle and its mouth closed? What does it prove? I have written here answer and you can write your own answer also. If a gas which is filled in a small bottle is transferred into a large bottle and its mouth closed, the gas spreads in the large bottle and occupies the entire space inside it. Thus, its volume changes. If a gas is allowed to spread in an open space, it mixes with the air. Thus, a gas does not have a definite shape and volume. Activity number 7. Write the properties of states of matter in the given box. Dear children, I have written about solid. You have to complete liquid and gas. Thank you.